Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are making this super cute crochet lavender flowers. It's quick, easy and perfect for beginners. Let's start. For this project you will need a purple yarn for the flowers, green yarn for the stem and a 3 to 4 crochet hook. Let's start with a slip knot and then crochet 52 chains. Remember to keep a constant tension of the yarn so that all the chains are even. Now crochet 3 double crochets in the third chain from the last one. So this is 1, the second one, and the third. Chain 1 and slip stitch in the next chain. Chain 5 and slip stitch in the same chain. Now do a slip stitch in the next chain and chain 5 and then slip stitch in the same chain. And then you repeat this again, a slip stitch, 5 chains, slip stitch in the same and then slip stitch in another chain, 5 chains, slip stitch in the same, and you continue this for 10 chains. You can count your stitches now. Leave the first one because that will act like a bud. So you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In the next chain, do a slip stitch, chain 6, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then a slip stitch in the same chain. Now a slip stitch in the next one, and you chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a slip stitch again. Continue this slip stitch, 6 chain and a slip stitch for the next few chains. Now for the last 10 chains, you need to do a slip stitch, chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and a slip stitch. So for all the rest chains, you will do a slip stitch, 7 chains and a slip stitch. End this with a single chain and cut off the yarn. Take a stick of floral wire for the stem. Add a small amount of glue to it. Start rolling the flower from the end where we made the 3 double crochets. Keep adding glue to the stick as you roll to hold the shape in place. Now wrap green yarn around the stick to create the stem. Add a bit of glue at the end to secure the yarn. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Let me know which flower you would like to see next. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.